Hi friends, welcome back to the videos where I clean and declutter in hopes to help you clean and declutter your houses. Today I was working in my daughter's room, just getting everything off the ground, getting a little bit more of an organization going. We're going to wash the sheets. Is it like just me, or is there just not a waterproof bed cover? So what I did was I put a shower curtain underneath the bed cover, so that way it's like double proofed from pee, because if any of you guys are moms, you know that beds will just get bombed out and they will get ruined very quickly with kids. So putting that extra protection with that shower curtain underneath has saved this bed, thankfully. So we're gonna do some laundry, and not everything can get done at once in a day when you have kids, so we're not going to stress about it. What we got done today is enough. All of those black trash bags are going out to donation. I need to check with my local donation place to see if they even want all this stuff, because I don't want to be a burden on them, and I hope that they can use it, but we'll see. And always trying to rearrange these couches. My husband did it the other way, and I was not a fan. I need more space for walking with all of the kiddos, just to not feel crowded in our house. So this is the Dupre steam mop, and I am cleaning my Duna stroller. This thing is amazing. It cleans in all those little cracks and crevices that I would not be able to get without the pressure of the steam mop. So if you're looking for a steam mop, I highly recommend the Dupre. And look at this little fly. How amazing are the colors on this fly? I just think of God's creation and the beauty in his creation. Like, nobody could make colors so beautiful other than God. The colors on them are just so cool.
Yeah.
So, no. First of all, I just want to take a moment to say thank you so much for 22,000 of you deciding to subscribe and join the community of folks just trying to get their house in order. Life is messy, we are messy, and we just want to do better and be better. So thank you. Let me know in the comments what you are getting into today with your homes. Are you decluttering? Are you cleaning? Are you going through your junk drawer? Are you finally hitting that closet that's just been waiting for you? Let me know in the comments. We are in this together, guys. No home is perfect. We are all working together to make our spaces calm and peaceful and exactly what we want our families to live in. Let's talk about why decluttering is so important before cleaning. If you aren't decluttering your space, that means that you are cleaning clutter. And when you clean clutter, you take so much more time trying to organize the clutter before you can even clean the spaces. So by minimizing the clutter, you can clean your space so much more efficiently, so much quicker, and it is all around just so much easier not having to deal with all the clutter. Clutter brings dust, clutter brings, and it triggers just different things in your mind that distract you from the actual task that is at hand. Our lives are so busy as it is. We are constantly being bombarded with ads and life events that our home has to be a space where we can come and unwind. And if we are coming into cluttered spaces, it is just not good on the already mental load that we have going through our minds. Is there an area in your house that you are struggling with getting cleaned or decluttered? If there is, let me know, and I will see what I can do to give you my best of advice. If any advice at all, you guys have given me so much advice and helped me in this journey. So as I'm editing this video, I can see that there's clearly something on my bum. Well, it is a sticker. So if you made it this far, we're going to go ahead and drop a seal emoji in the comments for no other reason other than knowing that you are sticking along with me and that you are staying engaged. I am so incredibly happy you're here. I'm so happy you're taking the steps to take care of your family and make your home a better space So something I like to do when I feel a little bit overwhelmed is I will set a timer on my microwave for 5 minutes, and I will just go as quickly as possible and just pick up some of the trash, whatever it is, and then if I didn't get done with that 5 minutes, what I needed to get done, I will set another 5-minute timer and I will go at it again, and usually that'll do it. My goal in decluttering my whole house was so that I could clean a space in 5 to 10 minutes and be satisfied. So that is what I did here, and it's just very peaceful to be able to go into a space knowing that the clutter is out and I can easily clean it within that amount of time. So yeah, I am incredibly happy, like I've said, that you've joined this journey. You've subscribed if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. I'm going to leave you guys with that. Let me know if you have any questions for me in the comments, and we'll talk soon. High five! I'm tight! Uh-oh.
We're not on the same seat. Ellie. Yeah, I do.
Hazy. Hazy. Your sister's crazy. Yeah.